a look at the 2015 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, stability control, power steering, cruise control, universal garage door opener, power door locks, trip computer, power brakes, child safety locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.